In this video tutorial, I will be showing you the difference between a web font and a system font. In a previous video, I showed you how to add web fonts in Adobe Muse, and in this video, I will be showing you why it's recommended to use web fonts instead of system fonts. So let's begin. So I've created a project file here with some text and images, and we'll be working with this text right up here. So right from the beginning, we can see that this is a web font, and the reason we can see that is because it doesn't have a T with an image symbol right here. So let's preview this in the browser and see how it looks. Okay, so I can highlight this text, and if I look at the code, I can see that this is also text within the code, and I can change it to something else. Green tea, I can change it to this is an Adobe Muse website. Alright, so we can see that this is text inside the code, and search engines really like this because it lets them know what the website is about if they're able to find content within your code within the website. And by using web fonts, we put the text in the code and we are able to use different styles and different web fonts. So let's change this to a system font and see how that looks. So I'm going to highlight this. Before this was Macondo, the Macondo web font. And to add web fonts, you just click here and you'll go to the Adobe Typekit website, and there's plenty of more web fonts where you can choose different web fonts. So I'm going to change this to a system font, and we're going to use this one right here, Seaside Resort. Now right away we can see that it's a system font because it has this T with an image, and this means that this text is going to be exported as an image. So let's see how that looks in the browser. So right here you can see right away we can't highlight this text. It's more of an image, and if we look at the code, we can see that it is an image. One thing that Adobe Muse does, which is quite nice, is that it puts the text in the alt tag. This at least lets search engines know what the image is about. So by having some text right here, it lets the search engines know that this image has the alt tag, some text, and it relates to the image. So again, if we were to change this text here to, let's say, green tea, we preview it in the browser, and we go to the code, we can see now the alt tag is changed to green tea. So this lets search engines know this image is related, has something to do with green tea. Alright, but again, content is preferred because it lets search engines, if you have content, let's say you have green tea in the content, green tea in the title, green tea in your keywords. Well, the search engines know, hey, this website must be about green tea, and it's always nice to have it in the content. So that's pretty much it for web fonts and system fonts. One other thing I'll show you with system fonts, just to let you know that it is an image. I just clicked on the image, and I can actually save this image into my folder here, and you can see it is an image right there. Alright, so that's pretty much it for web fonts and system fonts. Again, it's recommended to use web fonts. I'll even go back in here, change it to, you go web fonts right up here, change it to Macondo. Preview it, so you can highlight the text, and there's text in the code right there. Alright, so again, recommended to use web fonts. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.